how to add profile in your Netflix account on your smart TV. And okay guys, here in your remote, okay, go to Netflix application, press the Netflix on your remote. Here in Netflix account, okay, you can see here the profile. So okay, to add a profile on your Netflix account, okay, you'll have to do is go to add profile button here on this profile section and click the OK button on your remote. And after that, okay, now you can create a profile name. So for my example, Richard. And after you create a profile name, okay, click next button to save this settings or name on your profile. And after that, go to done button below to save these settings on your Netflix account. And that's it. Okay, you have successfully add profile on your Netflix account in your smart TV. And okay guys, if you have a question, kindly comment below. And don't forget to hit the subscribe button and the bell to notify you if I have new video. Okay, thanks for watching.